If you're looking for a way to enhance your image quality, blurry image to a high resolution image, this is the perfect video for you. And we are going to be doing that in Photoshop, right? Let's open our Photoshop. For the image that we are going to enhance, we are going to, let's say this is the image. We're going to drag it like this and drag it to Photoshop. We're going to drag it to Photoshop. You can see the image, right? If you zoom in very well, you can see all these pixels. But the first thing that we are going to do right now is that you're going to come to your edit, come to preference, and then come to technology reviews, right? Technology previews rather. Come to technology previews, right? Then you make sure that this enable preserve videos 2.0 update, make sure it is selected, right? Make sure it is selected, then you click on OK, right? So the next thing that you're going to do right now is that you're going to come to image, and then you're going to come to image size, right? When you come here, this is your preview, right? You'll be seeing everything you're doing here, you'll be seeing it here. First of all, we are going to increase this to 500 or even 600, right? Even 600. Make sure this is in pixel and this one is in pixel/inch, right? Then you make sure that this is in 2.0 that we changed previously. Make sure it is in 2.0 like this, and then you can adjust the noise a little. You can see it. You can already see that there's a difference between what you have here and what you have here. You can see that this shines brighter. This is more high quality than this one that you're seeing here. Then you just click on OK, right? So now you can see the picture will become bigger, right? And you can see it. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to now do the image, right? By pressing Ctrl G on your keyboard, or you just drag it like this and come here, right? It will duplicate it for you. You're now going to right click on it and then convert it to smart objects. When you convert it to smart objects, you now come to filter and then you come to sharpen. You come to sharpen and then you come to on sharp mask, right? Let's move this here. So you can increase this like this and then let this be around. If you increase it too much, it will affect the image. Just make it be around 3, right? Around like this, and then this threshold could be like 25, right? You can see what we have already. You can see, right? You can see what we have. See the before, see the after, see the before. You can see before, see the resolution. You can see the image. You can see everything. Then see the after. You can see now, right? It's now sharp. However, that's not where we are going to stop, right? So the next thing we are going to do, you come back to filter, and then you come back to order, and then you come back to bypass, order, bypass, right? Then you leave it like maybe around this two. This is okay. Then you click OK, right? So the next thing you're going to do is for you to make sure you're selecting the one that you apply effect on. Then you come to your blend mode and you come to around this light. Make sure you only choose between overlay and light, right? All of this you can see, all of this they are not it. Just between light overlay, right? And then you're good to go. Let's try this. Let's see before. You see before, see after, see before, see after. That's overlay. Let's try another one. Soft light. See before, see after, see before, see after. Let's try soft light. Hard light. Hmm? See before, see after. You see before, see after. See all the hair. Everything is showing. See before. See the hair is dark. It's not showing. It's blurry, right? But see the after. You see, you see. Let's change it to vivid light and see. Hmm? See before, see after. See before, see after. You can see, right? See before, see after. See before, see after. Right? Let's change it to linear light. This is beautiful. see before, see after, see before, see after. So it's left for you to choose which one that you want to use among the two, right? Among all of them, right? But I think I prefer overlay, right? You can use hard light. I prefer overlay or hard light, right? So that is it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe and share this video to someone who needs it, right? And also join our Telegram channel. Link will be in the description below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.